Today we are going to talk about the best keyboard shortcuts for Windows 11. These shortcut keys help you to initiate and complete an action on your Windows laptop or PC without waving the mouse. So they end up saving your time. So we have found some of the best shortcuts for you that we will discuss in today's video. So let's get started. Top Windows 11 keyboard shortcuts. The basic shortcut keys. Ctrl+A, select all items in a window. Ctrl+X, cut selected or highlighted item. Ctrl+C or Ctrl+Insert, copy the selected or highlighted item. Ctrl+V or Shift+Insert, paste the selected or highlighted item. Ctrl+Z, undo the previous action. Ctrl+Y, redo action. Ctrl+N, opening a new file. Windows key plus F1, opening how to get help in Windows, search in the browser. Alt+F4, closing apps or windows. Alt+Tab, switching between different apps or windows. Shift+Delete, delete the selected item permanently. Using the Start menu and taskbar. Windows key or Ctrl+Escape, opening the Start menu. Windows key plus X, opening the secret Start menu. Windows key plus T, going through the apps on the taskbar. Windows key plus number, opening a pinned app as per its number or position on the taskbar. For example, if you pin MS Word in the first position on the taskbar and click Windows key plus 1, MS Word will open. And if the app is already opened, a new window or document in this case will open. Windows key plus Alt plus number, opening the right-click menu from the app pinned in the number or position on the taskbar. Windows key plus D shows or hides desktop. Windows key plus will display the desktop briefly. Taking screenshots. Print screen. Take a screenshot of your entire screen and save it to your clipboard. Windows key plus print screen. Take a screenshot of your entire desktop and save it to a folder on your computer. Windows key plus Shift plus S, opening the snipping tool menu to take a screenshot of only a section of your screen. Windows Snap Assist and Virtual Desktops. Windows key plus M, minimize all open windows. Windows key plus Shift plus M, restore minimized windows. Windows key plus Home, minimize all windows except the selected or active window. Windows key plus up arrow, maximize the selected window. Windows key plus Shift plus up arrow maximizes the active window vertically while maintaining its width. Windows key plus down arrow, minimize the selected window. Windows key plus left arrow, snap the selected window to the left half of the screen. Windows key plus right arrow, snap the selected window to the right half of the screen. Windows key plus Alt plus up, snap the selected window to the top half of the screen. Windows key plus Alt plus down, snap the selected window to the bottom half of the screen. Windows key plus Shift plus left arrow or right arrow, move the selected window to the left or right monitor. Windows key plus Tab, open task view. Windows key plus Ctrl plus D, add new virtual desktop. Windows key plus Ctrl plus right arrow, move to the next virtual desktop. Windows key plus Ctrl plus left arrow, move to the previous virtual desktop. Windows key plus Ctrl plus F4, close the current virtual desktop. Before we get any further, make sure to subscribe to our channel. With your support, we can continue making these videos. Basic Windows key shortcuts. Windows key plus A, open the Action Center. Windows key plus S, open Cortana in text mode so you can type in the search bar. Windows key plus C, open Cortana in listening mode. Windows key plus E, open File Explorer. Windows key plus F, open the Windows 10 Feedback Hub. Windows key plus Ctrl plus F, search for PCs on a network. Windows key plus G, open the game bar. Windows key plus H, open the share sidebar. Windows key plus I, open the settings menu. Windows key plus K, open the connect sidebar. Windows key plus L, lock your computer. Windows key plus O, lock screen orientation. Windows key plus P, open presentation or projection sidebar. Windows key plus R, open the run window. Windows key plus U, open ease of access center. Windows key plus W, open the Windows Ink workspace. Windows key plus or minus symbol, zoom in and out with the magnifier. Windows key plus escape, exit magnifier. F keys. F2, rename a selected item. F3, quickly search for files in File Explorer. F4, highlight the address bar in File Explorer. F5, refresh your active window. F6, cycle through elements in a window or your desktop. Alt plus F8, show login password on the start screen. F10, activate the menu bar in the active window. And that's it. We hope now you have understood the Windows 11 shortcut keys and their functions. So keep using them to make your life easier. If you liked this video and found it informative, consider hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.